3DFitBud is this little companion here that counts and displays steps. It uses a 3D motion sensor to accurately count steps, and the step count is displayed right here on its large, clear display. There's no setup, no Bluetooth, no smartphone, or any wireless connections. It's self-contained and works all by itself. To activate a new 3DFitBud, simply slide off the clip, pull out the tab on the back, clip and go, and you can reset the step count whenever you want to. Just press the reset button for more than 3 seconds. You don't have to mess with charging this 3DFitBud. The battery's included and lasts up to 12 months, and it's really easy to replace the battery. Just use a coin to turn open the battery door when you need it and replace. Simple. It also has automatic standby feature, which helps to preserve battery power. The 3DFitBud automatically turns off after a few minutes of no activity and turns back on when movement is detected. The 3DFitBud can help you keep track of your daily steps, keep you motivated, lead a healthy lifestyle, lose weight, and improve your fitness levels.